I'm so bored. Yeah, what should we do? Oh, I know what to do. No, Firey, you don't have to do this. Ah! 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 Stop it, Firey. Ah! I'll get you back, Firey. She's imaginary. I'm gonna visit Firey. Firey, are you there? Oh, hello, Coiny. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Come on, let's go inside. You want a snack? Sure. Let's use witchcraft to get to the kitchen. Wing. So, here we are. What do you want to eat? Oh. Yeah, something good. Alright, let's see what's inside this fridge. So, what do you want? Oh, ooh. I'll take that Jello. Okay, time to find a spoon. Alright, time to see what spoons there are. Okay, let's get this out. Okay, 16 spoons. Okay, time to take the spoons out. All of these are nice. Took all of the other ones out. Okay, I found some spoons. Now time to blend it to my Jello. Okay, let's eat. Okay, let's open it. Why can't I get this thing open? Now this thing open. Use your witchcraft, dumb Coiny. What did you just say to me? Nothing. Oh, okay, that was good, because I was about to slap you. Yes, I got the Jello out. Now it's time to eat. This is good. I give it a 10 out of 10. Wow, thanks, Coiny. You're really starting to be my friend now. Since we stopped being enemies. Yeah. You know what, Firey? I remember when we were kids and we had friendship. Until I called you dumb. Until I called you dumb, just for a joke. I was slapping you too. What I really wanted was my friendship back. That's so nice of you, Firey. Give me a best friend hug. Wait, no, Coiny, you don't have to do this. Dead. Well, that was a coincidence. Dun 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 dun. Hey guys, subscribe to the SpongeBob and Mario Fan 2013 for more episodes of this new show. Thanks for watching. We might even get an episode 1. Well, if the TV producers like us. Anyways, yeah. This program was sponsored by Wendy's. With the new Wendy's SpongeBob toys, you can make your own Camp Coral adventures. There are 7 to collect. Make sure you collect them all. Okay, that's the end of the video. Goodbye.